Hey, so it's Ralph.
Hey.
Ralph and me.
What's up?
We're here in the rainforest, and it's starting to rain. You'll hear some thunder here pretty quickly. We were just looking at a lizard. Yeah. Yeah. It's about to go crazy on us here. Holy crap.
Great.
Let's get under trees.
That part.
Wait, hey, here we go. Rain. Wow.
Wow.
Look at it out here. Woo. It's going crazy. Wow.
Wonderful.
Wow. Yeah, it's raining pretty good. Hey, they told me that it like rains really hard.
What'd you say?
They said it rains really hard and then it quits. So, it might quit.
But it quit?
Yeah, it stops raining. It'll rain really hard then
Oh, yeah,
stop.
yeah. So just hold on.
Some video. Ralph.
Yeah, probably we'll both die here, and this is gonna make a like
final last word.
No, there is a movie named some people get in the forest and they lost, and people found this cave.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh.
It's very famous.
Wow.
Oh, some witch.
Blair Witch?
Yeah. That's right.
Wow. Hey, I hope the other guys found. I bet they ran and didn't find a place.
This is, let's see. This is 2008, May the 24th.
Yeah.
If you go,
Look at this. Man, about 3 minutes ago. Whoa. About 3 minutes ago, there was nothing out here. It was like 5 minutes ago, it was bright. We were watching a lizard on a log, and the rest of the group got ahead. And hey, I bet the rest of the group is like, they're probably in between these little pagodas. So they're probably screwed.
they probably got screwed.
Yeah.